Class 11th Commerce, the subject Business Studies, chapter number 6, Social Responsibility of Business and Business Ethics. It is lecture number 1. Now see, in this chapter I will teach you about the social responsibility and business ethics of business. As they are very clear by the name, the name of the chapter is Social Responsibility of Business and Business Ethics. First of all, I am moving on to concept of social responsibility. The social responsibility of business refers to its obligation to take those decisions and perform those actions which are desirable in terms of objectives and values of the society. And now listen. The role of business is very important in everything, in every aspect of our life. If there is any celebration, we look on to business. If there is any marriage at home, we look at the business. It means business is the place where each and every type of celebration items, they can be fulfilled, items can be bought. So it becomes the social responsibility of business only to perform those actions which are desirable in terms of objectives and desirable in terms of values. When we discuss about the social responsibility, a business should not sell really all the cigarettes, all the bidis, tamaku, gutka. No, not at all, really. The assumption of social responsibilities by business enterprises implies that they respect the aspirations of society and would try their best to contribute to the achievement of these aspirations along with their profit interests. देखिए ये क्या माना जाता है बेटा, अज्यूम किया जाता है, हम ये मान करके चलते हैं that the social responsibilities, whatever the social responsibilities a business has to obey, it should. And undoubtedly the business will have to respect, they will have to comply with the aspirations of the society. It is the moral duty of business to do their best for the achievement of the hopes, aspirations of consumers. And undoubtedly, if there is business, their aim will definitely be to earn profit. But that profit should be earned with proper ethics. It should not happen that just to increase the sale of the liquor, the person who runs the shop of liquor is selling the liquor to the person, to the boy, to the girl who are less than 18 years. It should not happen. It should not happen. The idea is in contrast to a common notion. Notion होता है बेटे idea. This idea is in contrast to the common notion that business exists only for maximizing profits for its owners. And now listen. Just now I told you that the business should earn profit, but by keeping the aspirations of the society, all the objectives in mind. And why is this said? Because contrast का मतलब है बेटे एकदम अलग से एक आइडिया. क्या आइडिया है? That the business, what remains in our minds even, that the existence of business is only for the maximizing profits for its owners. But it is also the moral duty of business to sell those items which are desirable, which are accepted by the proper group, by a particular group of the society. As consuming liquor in kids बोलना चाहिए, in persons those who are less than 18 years, it is not desirable. If any lady consumes cigarette It is also not the culture of India. So these things should be avoided. It is the moral duty of a business not to sell goods, not to sell cigarettes or liquor to the girls, to the students, to the persons, to the boys, those who are less than 18 years. This idea is in contrast to the common notion that business exists only for the maximizing profits for its owners. Here they want to say that only the profit maximization is not the aim of any business. The business will have to be very much alert, very much attentive. Otherwise, the business will be in loss, or even the business can be properly boycotted by the general public. Social responsibility is broader than legal responsibility of business. It is very interesting. Now see, in legal responsibility, what will happen? There will be some laws, some rules, some regulations. Those will be made by government, and we all will have to be just very much particular in obeying. But when the matter is of social responsibility, it is really very much broader than legal responsibility of business. लीगल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी में बी फुलफिल्ड बाय मियर कंप्लायंस विद द लॉ. आपने सिर्फ कानून की बात को माना और लीजिए जी, आपका जो लीगल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है दैट इज डन. एंड व्हाट इज द लीगल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी? इफ यू आर ऑन टू व्हीलर यू शुड वियर हेलमेट. आपने हेलमेट पहना हुआ है, पूरा हो गया जी लीगल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. बट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज वेरी मच मोर than that. Then that means social responsibility is really broader than legal responsibility of business. It is a firm's recognition of social obligations even though not covered by law. There are so many things which are not really written in laws, niyam. No, it is not written in laws. कानून में, नियम में लिखा नहीं है. Along with the obligations laid down by the law, whatever the obligation, those are laid down by the law. See, no law says always speak the truth. No law says that the students they should obey or they should not obey their parents. It is only the social responsibility that always the kids they should obey their elders. The same thing is with the business. अभी देखिए वो तो फर्म की रिकॉग्निशन है. इट इज अ फर्म्स रिकॉग्निशन ऑफ सोशल ऑब्लिगेशंस, क्योंकि इट इज नॉट कवर्ड इन एनी लॉ, बट स्टिल दे कीप द कॉन्सेप्ट, द फैक्टर ऑफ सोशल ऑब्लिगेशंस इन देयर माइंड. अदरवाइज व्हाट विल हैपन? द बिजनेस डेफिनेटली इट विल कोलैप्स. सोशल रिस्पॉन्स टुवर्ड्स डिफरेंट इंटरेस्ट ग्रुप्स. Now let us move on to the social. What is the social response of business towards different interest groups? Let us move on to that. Point number 1: responsibility towards the shareholders, or we can say investors or the owners. It is the very much responsibility towards shareholders, investors and owners. First number, A number means to pay fair return to their investment, dividend or interest. Now listen, when we invest any money, then definitely it remains in our mind that I should get some income. Investment in the form of shares fetches the income, dividend. If you grant loan to anybody and the income that you will get, that will be in the name of interest. It is the very much responsibility of business towards shareholders, investors or owners to pay them fair return to their investments in the name of dividend or interest. If they have subscribed in shares, they should be given proper dividend. If they have bought any debentures or any bonds, the investors they should be given proper amount of interest. B number, to ensure the safety of their investment. It is very clear, whatever the investment is done, the investor should feel safe. If the investor will not feel safe, then he will not invest money. When the investor will not invest money, from where will the business get money? So it is the social responsibility of business to ensure about the safety of their investment. There means investors. C number, to provide regular, accurate and full information about the working of the business. First of all, whatever is the proper, regular, accurate and full information of business, that working of the business, कि वो क्या काम कर रहे हैं, that should be given to investors. And along with this, the schemes for future growth also, these all are the information that the investor has right to know about these. It is C number. D number, to maximize shareholders' wealth. See, shareholders invest money in shares. It is the very much important job for any business to maximize the wealth of shareholder. Wealth का मतलब है यहाँ पर कि जो शेयर का पर शेयर कीमत है, बाजार कीमत, मार्केट शेयर. सी, increase in market value of shares, to increase the market value of shares. If the market value of shares does not increase, then really the investors will not invest money in shares. So again, it is the duty of business to maximize shareholders' wealth. That is, what is the meaning of shareholders' wealth? To increase the market value of shares. Point number 2, responsibility towards the workers and or employees. Responsibility towards worker or employees. See, देखिए, we all do work for wages or salaries, to pay fair wages and salaries to the workers and employees. It is the very important, very much important work of the business. B number, to provide the right kind of working conditions so that it can win the cooperation of workers. If working conditions are not safe, then nobody would like to join that proper business. It can be any business, it can be any business. Safety तो सब जगह पर चाहिए. Working conditions should be good. Working conditions में क्या आता है? The proper room. The room should be airy. If it is hot, then there should be the arrangement of coolers. If it is very cool, then there should be the arrangement of room heaters. So all the right type of working the provision of right type of working conditions is provided by the business only. And see what will happen? Then the workers will always cooperate with that business, the business who takes care of their proper working conditions. C number, to provide services such as medical facilities, education to children, retirement benefits, etc. See, when we are young, happily we do the job, but as the time passes, man becomes man, no, not only man, woman, they become old, they become retired. So it is the duty of business to take care of retirement. What are the benefits which will be given at the time of retirement? And when they are young, really, education to children, it is also the responsibility of business to provide services, benefits, medical facilities also. And then in medical facilities, what happens? Whatever the expenditure is done on doctors, on medicines, the bills, they are reimbursed. Reimburse का मतलब होता है बेटा, पहले आप पैसा खर्चा करिए, फिर आपको जो आपने पैसा खर्चा किया है वो आपको बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आपकी वापस देगी पैसा. So all these services should be provided by the business. D number, to develop their skills through training and education. See what happens whenever any type of new working policy is applied. The person, the workers, they do not know. In that case, it is the responsibility of business to give them proper training and proper education. It will develop their skills. it will be very much beneficial for the organization and for the personal growth of that particular employee. E number, to respect the democratic rights to the workers to form unions. अब ये देखिए, ये भी democratic right है कि वो unions को बनाएं. Unions are set up for the workers, means whatever the bad act of if any bad act is done by the side of management with the workers, in that case these unions fight with the management for the rights of workers. E number, see, the business should respect the democratic rights, and the democratic rights, they are for the workers to form unions. Third number, responsibility towards the consumers. It is, every responsibility is very much important. Third number, responsibility towards the consumers. A number पर आते हैं, to supply right quality and quantity of goods and services at reasonable prices. And now listen, whenever we go to market, we buy anything. It can be, let us discuss about the kerosene oil. What do they do? जिससे वो तेल को नापते हैं, उसको अंदर की तरफ में ठोक ठोक के उसको अंदर कर देते हैं, ऊपर कर देते हैं. यानी कि उतना ही जो मेजरमेंट वाला जो उनका बर्तन रहता है, they people really destroy that. And then what happens, whenever the oil will be measured, उसमें तेल कम आएगा. फिर again, this is the responsibility of business towards the consumers. A number, to supply right quality and right quantity of goods and services at reasonable prices. It should not happen when there is any type of problem, really prices are on to the sky. It should not happen. B number, to ensure regular and adequate supply of products. Whatever the material, the goods, services, they are required by the consumers, they should be provided regularly and adequate. मैंने जितना मुझको चाहिए उतना मुझे मिले. Adequate supply of products. It is point number B. C number, to avoid unfair trade practices such as adulteration, hoarding, black marketing, underweighing, misleading advertising. Now see, काला इंसान क्रीम लगाएगा, गोरा बन जाएगा. These type of misleading advertisement should not be, and still बिल्कुल है, वो आज भी हमें टीवी पर दिखाई देती हैं. We see them, we watch them, not see, we watch them. Adulteration, चीजों में मिलावट करना. होर्डिंग हो गया आपका जमाखोरी. ब्लैक मार्केटिंग, काला बाजारी. अंडरवेइंग, जो भी मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया फॉर केरोसिन ऑयल, दैट वो उसको इतना अंदर ठोक ठोक के उसको ऊंचा उठा देती हैं कि उतना मेजरमेंट कम हो जाता है बेटे. सो दीज ऑल बैड प्रैक्टिसेस, दे शुड बी अवॉइडेड. मीन्स द बिजनेस शुड नॉट डू ऑल दीज थिंग्स, दे शुड अवॉइड दीज थिंग्स बिकॉज दे हैव टू थिंक अबाउट कंज्यूमर्स. देखिए, अगर कंज्यूमर ही नहीं है तो व्हाट विल बी डन बाय द बिजनेस. मतलब दोनों को ही दोनों चाहिए, बट इफ देयर इज बिजनेस बट देयर आर नो कंज्यूमर, देन व्हाट विल हैपन. So it is the moral duty of business to take care of their customers. C number, to avoid unfair trade practices such as adulteration, hoarding, black marketing, underweighing, misleading advertising. D number, to inform them about the new product. See, the person, those who are sitting at home or anybody doing job or whatever, चाहे हम घर बैठे हैं चाहे हम जॉब कर रहे हैं, इन जो हमें कैसे पता चलता है about new products? How do I come to know? They are only the advertisements, but advertisements should not be misleading. And how to use the existing products to provide the information regarding these things. Again, it is the duty of business. E number, to handle the customers grievance. होती है बेटे परेशानियां, दुख, तकलीफ. To handle the customers grievances properly. Again, if you have bought anything good, see, you have bought the Apple mobile, very expensive, and it is giving you some trouble. It is their responsibility to handle the problems of your phone. E number is very, all the numbers are very important. It is now I am on to E number. To handle the customer's grievance properly, it is the very much duty of business. Fourth number, responsibility towards the government and community. And now listen, what you see, व्यापार की जिम्मेदारी है एक कम्युनिटी की तरफ और गवर्नमेंट की तरफ. देखिए क्या है, ए नंबर देखिए, टू रिस्पेक्ट द लॉज ऑफ द कंट्री. If the business will obey the laws, then what will be done by a customer? They also will have to obey. B number, to pay taxes regularly and honestly. Whatever the taxes they have to pay, they should pay. And the payment should be done on the regular basis and it should be done honestly. C number, to behave as a good citizen and act according to the well accepted values of the society. Each and everything, I really love this chapter like anything. Social responsibilities are for me, social responsibilities are for you my dear students. सभी के लिए है, सोशल जिम्मेदारी सभी के लिए है. To behave as a good citizen and act accordingly to the well accepted values of the society. D number, to protect the natural environment. And now listen, environment really has been destroyed by the just very lengthy chimneys, and those chimneys, they keep on emitting so much smoke. Avoid this bad effluent, smoky chimneys, ugly buildings, dirty working conditions. देखिए हम जो एनवायरमेंट को हम कैसे बचा सकते हैं. इफ एनी बिल्डिंग इज नॉट गुड, अगर वो वेल मेंटेन्ड नहीं है तो क्या होगा. देखिए, देयर विल बी ऑल द वॉल्स, दे विल बी इन ट्रबल, दे विल लुक अगली, and then there will be the generation of so many viruses, so many all mosquitoes and all. D number, to protect the natural environment. The protection of natural environment, again this is the duty of business, and to avoid whatever the things which are not good for the environment, it is the particular duty of business to take care of them. If the working conditions are bad, if the working conditions are not, if any person is working in any ugly building, that the person, what will happen to that person, to the employee? He will kept on falling sick every time. E number, to develop to proper image, to develop to proper image in society through continuous interaction with various groups of people. A business can do progress if you are continuously in touch with your consumers. Whatever are the desires, whatever are the wishes of consumers, if the business does not take care of them, then definitely the business will collapse. But they should develop the proper image in the society. उनको व्यापार को अपनी ही इमेज को सुधारना होगा. And this सुधार can be done only by the continuous interaction. वेरियस ग्रुप्स ऑफ पीपल. देखिए जो कंज्यूमर्स हैं वो सिर्फ बड़े लोग नहीं है, दे आर इन्फेंट्स. इन्फेंट तो खैर बोल नहीं सकते, उनको तो मम्मी डैडी करेंगे उनका जो भी करना है. द पर्सन, दोज हु कैन एक्सप्लेन अबाउट देयर विशेज, अबाउट देयर रिक्वायरमेंट्स, द बिजनेस शुड डू द इंटरेक्शन विद देम. Now I am moving on to cases or arguments for social responsibility. जस्टिफिकेशन फॉर एग्जिस्टेंस एंड ग्रोथ. देखिए यहाँ पर मैं आपको ये बता रही हूँ बेटा कि क्या रीजन है कि व्यापार को सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को मानना चाहिए. उनके फेवर में है ये. फर्स्ट नंबर पॉइंट है जस्टिफिकेशन फॉर एग्जिस्टेंस एंड ग्रोथ. बिजनेस कैन बी एग्जिस्टेड if they fulfill all the desires of the society, and because they want their existence and growth, so they will have to work according to the wishes, desires of the society. Business exists for providing goods and services to satisfy human needs. इट इज वेरी क्लियर कि भाई ह्यूमन नीड्स को पूरा करता है वे जो व्यापार है हमारा, गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. इफ आई वांट सम गुड then I can buy. If I need any service, then I can find the service. Though profit motive is an important justification for undertaking business activity. Is very clear. It is very interesting also बेटा. देखिए कि प्रॉफिट मोटिव है. प्रॉफिट मोटिव इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट जस्टिफिकेशन दैट द बिजनेस एक्टिविटी शुड गो ऑन. बट व्हाट इज द मॉरल ड्यूटी ऑफ बिजनेस if they want that their existence should be there in society? They will have to provide goods and services, proper goods and profits, proper services to satisfy human needs. It should be looked upon as an outcome of service to the public. अभी to the people. अभी देखिए आउटकम क्या है प्रॉफिट का? अर्निंग इज आउटकम. If they are serving properly, if they are providing good goods, then definitely they will keep on getting profit. So profit outcome है बेटे. It should be looked upon as an outcome of service to the people. Whatever the service they have given to the people, they have got profit, and it is यहाँ पे जो हमने outcome लिखा है that is for profit. In fact, the prosperity and growth of business is possible. अब सोच करके देखिए आप कैसे नंबर अच्छे ले सकते हैं. आपके लिए भी तो यही बात है बेटे. Continuous hard work, continuous hard work. The same thing is with business. In fact, the prosperity and growth of business, it is only possible when there is continuous service to the society according to the wishes of the society. If they do not care for the society, then definitely the society will never like this type of business. The assumption of social responsibility by business provides justification for its existence and growth. देखिए कितनी प्यारी बात लिखी है बेटा. Assumption of social responsibility by business. अगर आप सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को निभाते हैं, सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी में क्या आता है देखिए, that business should take care of the poor, business should take care of the schools, they should construct schools, they should provide employment. The assumption of social responsibility by business provides justification. देखिए justification हम क्यों बोलें कि जो व्यापार है वो हमारे समाज में हो, क्योंकि वो व्यापार जस्टिफाई करता है अपने एग्जिस्टेंस को और ग्रोथ को by giving job to persons, employment to people, by providing good quality goods at reasonable price. Second number, long term interest of the firm. A firm can earn maximum profit in the long run when it has the highest goal एज सर्विस टू द सोसाइटी. देखिए दिमाग में अगर सिर्फ ये ही रखता है व्यापार कि आई हैव टू अर्न प्रॉफिट, बिजनेस को तो जी बस सिर्फ प्रॉफिट कमाना है, देन दे विल नेवर बी सक्सीड इन देयर गोल. When can they earn much profit, continuous profit, long-term profits? If they think about the society, if their highest idea, highest goal is to serve the society. If they do not have this type of feeling, their business will never be flourished. When increasing number of society, when increasing numbers of society including workers, consumers, shareholders, government officials फील, जब तक ये लोग सब फील नहीं करेंगे, क्या फील नहीं करेंगे थोड़ा आगे चल के देखते हैं बेटा, दैट द बिजनेस एंटरप्राइज इज नॉट सर्विंग इट्स बेस्ट इंटरेस्ट. अगर लोग सोचेंगे कि भाई व्यापार इज नॉट गुड, वो जो हमारे इंटरेस्ट के बारे में, हमारे भले के बारे में बिजनेस इज नॉट थिंकिंग, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? विथड्रॉ माने वो हटा लेंगे, वो छोड़ देंगे, कोऑपरेट नहीं करेंगे. दे विल टेंड टू विथड्रॉ देयर कोऑपरेशन. इट इज THEIR है बेटा, ध्यान कर लेना, विथड्रॉ देयर THEIR. withdraw their cooperation to the enterprise देखो वो बिल्कुल उनकी जो इच्छा होगी, टेंड माने इच्छा होती है बेटा, दे विल टेंड, वो क्या इच्छा करेंगे कि वो अपना कॉपरेशन उस पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस एंटरप्राइज से हटा ले। इफ बिजनेस डज नॉट थिंक अबाउट देम, अगर व्यापार उनके लिए नहीं सोचेगा तो इन्वेस्टर्स भी व्यापार के लिए नहीं सोचेंगे। ये बात बिल्कुल ध्यान रखना बेटे आप लोग। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। Therefore, it is in its own interest if a firm fulfills its social responsibility, अगर वो लोग सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को पूरा करते हैं, वो लोग मीन्स बेटे बिजनेस, इफ बिजनेस इज फुलफिलिंग इट्स सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, वो अपना ही भला कर रहे हैं। अपना भला कैसे कर रहे हैं कि पीपल विल हैव फेथ इन देम, दे विल कीप ऑन बाइंग देयर गुड्स प्रोडक्ट्स, they will keep on getting services from them. And now listen to homework. Homework है बेटे, write and learn today's topic and mail it to me. Thank you so much.